Hi students, today I am going to teach you class 7 math mathematics exercise 1.3. The name of chapter is integer. The very first questions in your book is given find the each of the following product. Question first. Find the each of the following product. A 3 multiplied by -1, B -1 multiplied by 225, C -21 multiplied by -30, D -316 multiplied by -1, E -15 multiplied by 0 multiplied by -18, F -12 multiplied by -11 multiplied by 10, G 9 multiplied by -3 multiplied by -6, H -18 multiplied by -5, I -1 multiplied by -2 multiplied by -3 multiplied by 4, J -3 multiplied by -6 multiplied by 2 multiplied by -1. Let's solution. Look at carefully. A 3 multiplied by -1, a positive integer and one negative integer, when multiplied the product will be in negative integer, means 3 ones are 3 and it is in minus. B -1 multiplied by 225 is equal to, here is also one positive integer and negative integer, so the product will be in negative integer, and 225 ones are 225. C -21 multiplied by -30 is equal to, when both the integers are negative the product will be in positive, so 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6 and 0, and minus multiplied by positive. B -316 multiplied by -1 and both the integers are negative, so that so the product is in positive integer, and 361 16 ones are 316. E minus 15 multiplied by 0 multiplied by minus 18. If the any integer multiplied by 0, the product always the product will be 0 when we are multiplied any integer with 0. F minus 12 multiplied by minus 11 multiplied by 10. First of all, we should be solve these two integers. 12 ones are 12, 12 ones are 12 plus 1 13, and this is both are the negative integers, so the product will be in positive. Multiply by 10 is equal to 1320 1320. G 9 multiplied by minus 3 multiplied by minus 6. We can solve it like this. First of all, take these two integers 9 and 3, and 9 is positive integer and 3 is negative integer, so the product is always in negative integer. 9 3 is 27 minus 27 multiplied by 6, and 6 7 is 42, 2 4 carries, 6 2 is 12 plus 4 16, and here is negative integer, so the product is negative. H minus 18 multiplied by minus 5 minus 4, so all the integers are negative. 1 2 3 integers are negative, so the product is in negative. 18 5s are 90, 94s are 360. I minus 1 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by minus 3 multiplied by 4. 1 2 3 4. There is 4 integer and 3 integers are negative and 1 integer is positive. When all the 3 integers are negative, means product is in negative integer. Minus 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, and 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. Now J minus 3 multiplied by minus 6 multiplied by 2 multiplied by minus 1. First of all, solve these two. 6 3s are 18, and minus minus plus multiply by 2 multiply by minus 1. Now these two 18 and 2 ones are minus 2, 18 2s are 36 in minus. क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट सॉल्व हो गया सारे क्वेश्चंस. अब सेकंड देखेंगे. सेकंड क्वेश्चन है वेरीफाई द फॉलोइंग. क्वेश्चन 2 है वेरीफाई द फॉलोइंग. A, 18 multiplied by 7 multiplied by minus 3 and bracket close is equal to 18 multiplied by 7 bracket close multiplied by plus big bracket multiply by minus 3 in small bracket and big bracket close. B, minus 21 multiply by big bracket in small bracket minus 4 plus minus 6 in small bracket and big bracket close is equal to, in big bracket small bracket minus 21 multiply by minus 4 plus (21) multiply by minus 6. Let it solve. First A, 18 multiplied by 7 multiplied by minus 3 is equal to big bracket 18 multiplied by 7 plus 18 multiplied by minus 3. In these type of, when we are talking about the verification or the verify the following, we should be solve left hand side LHS and RHS. LHS means left hand side and RHS means होता है right hand side. Now LHS (18) 7 plus minus 3 and now RHS right hand side 18 multiplied by 7 plus 18 multiplied by minus 3. Now 18 multiplied by 7 प्लस ये जो है इसको सेपरेट करेंगे, इसका मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 80 का मल्टीप्लाई बाय 7 में और फिर इसका इसी का मल्टीप्लाई इसमें, तो ये हो जाएगा आपका 18 मल्टीप्लाई बाय माइनस 3, 18 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 7 प्लस 18 मल्टीप्लाई बाय माइनस 3। वैसे तो यहीं पे दोनों इक्वल हो गया, लेकिन थोड़ा और सॉल्व करके हम देख लेते हैं। 18 7 जा 126 प्लस 18 3 जा 54 माइनस 54 इक्वल टू 126 प्लस माइनस 54। (126 minus 54 is equal to 72 and 126 minus 84 is equal to 72. Hence LHS is equal to RHS proved. B minus 21 multiplied by minus 4 plus minus 6 is equal to minus 21 multiplied by minus 4 plus minus 21 multiplied by minus 6. Let it solve. Similar LHS इसका मल्टीप्लाई इसमें फिर इसमें तो हो जाएगा -21 मल्टीप्लाई बाय -4 प्लस -21 मल्टीप्लाई बाय -6 RHS -21 multiplied by -4 -21 multiplied by -6 both are this negative integers, so the result in positive 84 plus 126. These both are negative is equal to 84 plus 126. 8 and 6 and 4 is equal to 0. 8 to 10 plus 1 11. 210 is equal to 210. Hence LHS is equal to RHS proved. Let's start in question number 3rd. Third का first. For any integer that is a, what is -1a multiplied by a? Second, determine the integer whose product with -1 is a. -22 b. 37 c. 0. Solution. A 1 for integer a, minus 1 multiplied by a is equal to minus a. Second a. Where is a? An integer. Now determine the integer whose product with minus a is. First, a is equal to minus 1 is a is equal to minus 22, means minus 1 multiplied by minus 22 is equal to, both are the integer are negative, so the product is positive 22. B, minus 1 multiplied by 37, so the one integer is positive and one is negative, so the product is in negative 37. C, minus 1 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. Now question number 4. Starting from minus 1 multiplied by 5, write various products showing some pattern to show. Minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 is equal to 1. According to the question, there is given starting from minus 1 multiplied by 5, and we should be get up to the this, means minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 is equal to 1. So minus 1 multiplied by 5 is equal to minus 5. Minus 1 multiplied by 4 is equal to minus 4. Minus 1 multiplied by 3 is equal to minus 3. Minus 1 multiplied by 2 is equal to minus 2. Minus 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. Minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 is equal to 1. Look at here. With the help of above pattern, we can say that the product of two positive integer is positive integer, two negative integer is also positive. And the product of one negative and positive integer is negative. It means when we are multiply two negative integers, माइनस माइनस अगर हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो रिजल्ट आएगा पॉजिटिव, प्लस पॉजिटिव पॉजिटिव अगर करेंगे तो भी रिजल्ट आएगा पॉजिटिव, अगर पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव करेंगे तो रिजल्ट आएगा आपका नेगेटिव इंटीजर में. Now question number 5. Question number 5 है find the product of using suitable properties. A 26 multiplied by minus 48 plus minus 48 multiplied by 36. B 8 multiplied by 53 multiplied by minus 125. C 15 multiplied by minus 25 multiply minus 4 multiplied by minus 10. D minus 41 multiplied by 102. E 625 multiplied by minus 35 plus 625 multiplied by 65. minus 65 minus 625 है. F 7 multiplied by 50 minus 2. G minus 17 multiplied by minus 29. H minus 57 multiplied by minus 19 plus 57. Let it solve. ए। (26) multiply by -48 plus -48 multiply by 36. लेट ये दोनों में है तो हम कॉमन ले लेंगे, इसमें भी है प्लस, इस प्लस के बाद इस इधर भी है और दोनों माइनस में है, तो हम लेंगे -48 कॉमन ले लेंगे, मल्टीप्लाई बाई 26 प्लस -36. -36 हो जाएगा आपका -48 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 26 -36 मीन्स -48 मल्टीप्लाई बाई, इसे सॉल्व करेंगे तो आएगा आपका -10 मीन्स माइनस एंड माइनस प्लस 480. आंसर बी सॉल्व करेंगे. 8 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 53 मल्टीप्लाई बाई -125. अच्छा, ये कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी का यूज़ करके हमने किया है? तो इसको हमने किया है डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी. अच्छा, अभी हमको समझ में